Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a walk-in neck break. To account of a right-handed return, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break that down. Obviously it's going to be a lot easier to learn if you already know how to do a neck break, and there is already a clip up to do that. So if you don't know it, head off, learn a neck break and come back. So what we're going to do, man's right, lady's right, semicircle push, send the lady back. We do a right-handed return all the way around. We're going to drop the hand, and when we lead the step back, we're specifically taking the lady's right foot back. Guys, if you go left foot forwards as you do that, you'll get a strong step back on the right. And what we're going to do, fellas, is we're going to get out of the way to the left as we walk the lady forwards. So we get 1, 2. From here, guys, we take the right hand through the middle and up like a sway, but coming up to shoulder height as we turn to the left. So we come up onto the lady's shoulder, and notice, just changing so you can see, guys, thumb pointing down, palm backwards, ladies pushing into it with their right. So we've got the walk. As we keep turning left, we're going to twist the lady around us to come across onto the right, pushing hard into the hand. We now pull back, strong kind of turn and 3/4, lower and back, guys coming back to be in front of the lady, return, and you are done. Let's think about that with some numbers. We go back 1, return 2, prep step 3, walk in 2 steps, on 4, wrapping 5 to the shoulder, into the preparation for the big turn 6, big turn 7, lower and back 8, returning 1 and back 2. Let's try it to a slow count. Here we go. 5, a 6, a walk in neck break, it's a back, return, prep, walk, wrap, prep, big turn, look, return and back, and that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.